Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm really excited to finally show you our Razer BlackShark V3 Pro earpads. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install them and the differences between our earpads and the original earpads. So let's start the video. Okay, let's start. So the earpads that you see on the headset are our green Airweave cooling gel earpads. I have no idea why Razer did not make green earpads for their headsets. It seems like a no-brainer, but hey, this is why we're here. So to install it, I'm gonna just pop off one earpad. I'll show you it compared to the original, and then I'm gonna pop it back on because the earpads are interchangeable for the left and the right, and it's the same installation method. So to remove it, you're simply going to feel the edge of the earpad where the plastic base is, and then you're going to hold with your thumb from the inside of the earpad, and you're simply going to pop them out. It might be a little tougher in the beginning when you're first removing the earpad, so just do it slowly. Don't try to force it out. Just do it from several sides until it pops off. And let me show you the differences between our earpad and the original earpad. So first of all, what you can see is the ear opening size. We have made it larger by request from a bunch of customers. And on the thickness side, we usually go much thicker, but this time we went slightly thicker in order to somewhat preserve the signature sound of the earpad. So we put enough thickness and enough size to provide the comfort for your ears. And as you know, with our cooling gel earpads, a layer of cooling gel on the top of the earpad and a layer of cooling gel on the inside layer of the earpad. So now to install them. On the back side of the earpad, you have 6 hooks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 dowels. These two dowels are simply to align into the 2 holes that exist on the headphone cup. There is a hole here and a hole here. As I said, these are interchangeable to the left and the right, and also upside down, so it doesn't matter how you install it. But you are going to simply align the dowels into the holes. Try to get the alignment here, and then you are going to, I recommend holding from here, not try to push it from the top. Hold it from here and simply push it inside. You'll hear clicks. I recommend going from all sides, and you want to make sure that there are no, I don't know if you can see this really clearly in the video, but you want to make sure that it is completely seamless by the end, so you have no sound leaks from the earpads. Right, so I went over all of it. It's all seamless, and that is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.